Hey, my name is Mohammed Darab, and in this video, I'm going to do a quick review of Mr. Bob Ward's book, SQL Server 2019 Revealed. Now, I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm actually going to give you 3 reasons why I think you should have this book in your arsenal, whether you're a DBA, database professional, or you're brand new to SQL Server. This, I believe, is a great book, and hopefully these 3 reasons will help you decide, right? Make the decision making a little bit easier. So let's start out. Number 1 reason is that Bob Ward starts off the book with a bunch of stories, a bunch of behind the scenes, director's cut stories. And if you're like me, you absolutely love that. And I do. I love the fact that he talks about, you know, what the team was thinking back when they were initially thinking about SQL Server on Linux, and then containers, Kubernetes, thinking outside the box with big data clusters, and the risks and you know, the communications that were going on. I really love that, right? Because that pretty much lays everything out on the table. There's no, you know, there's nothing to hide, right? There's no like salesy marketing type of thing going on. It's like, hey, this is what we want to do, and this is what was happening back in the day. So I absolutely love that. So again, first reason, the behind the scenes or the director's cut. Reason number 2 is that Bob assumes that the reader is starting out as a beginner, right? Now, this book is for a beginner or expert, right? There's so much information in it. It's over 400 pages. But the reason why I say he assumes the reader is a beginner, because whenever there was a section in the book where I was thinking, I gotta go, you know, pause the reading, I gotta go do some more research and then come back and continue, there's always a link in the book to that exact, like, if you want to do more research, click on this link, or if you want to watch this video that'll help, you know, clarify a point, click, you know, go to this YouTube page, and it's all in this book, which I absolutely love. And that makes the book, for me at least, I'm old school, so I like to have a book, but if it can get cumbersome when you're traveling or going here and there, but with everything inside the same book, with the links and information and everything, it makes it like the one-stop shop. So I really do appreciate that he has overload of links to further, you know, dive deep into topics. So absolutely kudos to him for doing that. The third and final reason is passion, right? I like to believe I'm a passionate person, especially about big data clusters, and you see it come out in the book, right? Bob, he starts off the book thanking the SQL Server community, right? Hashtag SQL family. He says, hey, I wanted to thank the SQL family because without you all, this wouldn't have been able to happen. I mean, it's humbling of him to, you know, someone who's been with SQL Server for over 25 years, right? To say that, to giving props to the community, because it's kind of like a symbiotic relationship. I absolutely love that. I see the passion in the team. He describes the team and how they were, you know, thinking and really trying to solve this problem and thinking outside the box again. It makes me feel as a SQL Server professional that I'm doing the right thing. I'm in the right career, right? I'm not only dealing with a product that I love, but the people that develop it are just not getting paid to develop it. When you kind of reach out to them, you don't get a response. You know, in fact, there are times where I have had questions and I contact the team and they reply immediately, right? That two-way passion is awesome. It only makes the product even better. It makes me as a professional like, hey, I'm in the right, you know, I'm in the right career, right? I'm in the right track with SQL Server and with big data clusters specifically. So those are my 3 reasons why I think you should have this book. It's an amazing book. Big kudos to Mr. Ward for putting this together. He had written another book previously. It's like writing 2 books in 2 years, I think. And that's just unheard of. So big kudos to that. I'm glad I have this book. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I have the Amazon link to the book in the comments. Again, my name is Mohammed Darab. I hope you like this video. Share, like, subscribe. Until the next one, take care.